A logarithm is the inverse of an exponent. It is expressed with the following formula, where a is greater than 0, b is greater than 0, and a cannot equal to 1. A is the base of the logarithm. This formula is given in the formula booklet, so you don't need to memorize it. This can be read as the power that you raise a to get b is x. So for example, log base 5, 125 is equal to 3 would be read as the power that you raise 5 to get 125 is 3. Note that there are two important cases of logs. There is the natural logarithm, which is essentially when the log's base is the mathematical constant e, Euler's number, which is 2.1828 and so on. There is also the common logarithm, which is log of base 10. They are often used and so abbreviated to simply log x. Now, let's apply this concept to get a better understanding. So the question here says, solve for x. 2 to the power of x is equal to 21.4. So we can turn this into a logarithm. So this is essentially x is equal to log base 2, 21.4. Now we can plug this into our calculator. And x is equal to 4.4195, which is approximately 4.42 when using three significant figures.